Hi, if you want to turn off charging sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then all you have to do is to find and open settings, and from here scroll down till you could see sound and vibration tab. And now you need to pick system sound section, and in here you would find charging feature. So if you see that this switcher is blue, then we got a sound for charging. So when you put your phone on a charge, you'll hear a chime. To disable this sound, just tap on the switcher so it will become gray, and now there will be no sound when you're charging your device. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.